Welcome to Propel. Let's analyze a property together. First, type in any address in the search bar. Next, we'll pull together hundreds of data points about this property that we've gathered from dozens of sources, including the MLS, Census Bureau, FBI, Department of Housing and Urban Development, local county governments, and many others. Now that the data has been aggregated, we automatically run a comprehensive ROI analysis. Let's review the results. The first thing we see are the key insights, where we provide you with a bullet point summary of our findings. For example, we estimate that if this property is rented at market rates, you will be cash flow positive within the first year and achieve a cash-on-cash return of over 10%. You can learn more about how we came to these conclusions by reviewing our reports below. One example is the Value Over Time report, which outlines your projected earnings from cash flow, appreciation, and paying down any loans you may have on the property. Currently, no loan information has been set. To add a loan, open the Inputs menu. From the Inputs menu, expand the Acquisition Cost section and select a loan type. You can adjust the terms of the loan or any other variables in the Inputs menu that are highlighted in blue. This includes any operating expenses, revenue, and growth projections. Now you're ready to analyze any investment property, find the best deals, and invest intelligently.